Welcome to my another video. In this video we are going to learn how to make a field required by using different ways. So the first way is field level security, page layout, validation rule, and with triggers. 4 ways to make a field required. So let's go to our org, and then now I am in account object, and then in account object a field, which field can be I want a field required, full name, description, active, account number. If we have an account, then account number. Let's make account number make it required. If you want to make it, we cannot. This is a standard object. Let's field level security. So let's select account name. It is already required. Account number. Okay, just what is this? Clean status. Active. Let's say click active, and then if you want to make active required, as you can see with the time of the creation, you can do it, or you can do it now. Just make it always require a value in this field. So if you click that, then save it, and then go to account. If you create a new account, name is Alex, and if you see active. So where is active? Yes, it is saved, as you can see. This is first way. Now I will go cancel this one. I will go to second way, which is from page layout. Come to page layout, account page layout, and then if you come to our object, where is that? Active. If you click here, you can make it read only or required. If you click, then you come back here and then create a new account. This time Harrison. Active. It is throwing error. So if you click one, as you can see, it accepted. This is another way. Now active is required. You can cancel this way, and then the next way is validation rule. As you can see, we don't have validation rule in active. Rule name, select one option for this, and then if you want, it can be null, it can be blank. We can select is blank from here. expression. Let's fill in our field active. Let's see what mistake. Error, field active picked list value. Then you need to have certain function. If it's a picked list value, I think what you need to do, you need to use another method. Check syntax now. As you can see, if as something it is a picked list value, then you need to write text in front of the field and then close, open and close it. So this is our validation rule. Then we can set populate active field. We can make it at the top, or we can select active field, and let's go to create a new account. Name is Alema. Active field. Go to active field. Active. Now save. As you can see. Now I will inactivate this validation rule. If you select inactive, then it is disabled now. It will save automatically. The last one is triggers. As you can see, we have different triggers. I can create a new one. Not here, from console. I will go to console and then create a trigger. Active field is required. My object is trigger that. So we need to create our triggers so we can make our field. When we insert or we update, so for that we can, before insert or before update, we can apply this. Now what is our, when we are creating a new, so for that we open a for loop. Many accounts we can create. For accounts ACT, then trigger new, trigger dot new. So when we create account list, and trigger new is a list, so after we say if ACCT active is a active if it is null or having nothing equals if it is null, if my active field it is having nothing or it is null, then just throw and add error. Active field is required. Now, seems there is no mistake. So what we did, we create a trigger name, and then name of trigger and on account before insert, before update. So we create a list for account new if the account active having nothing or it is null, then add an error. So let's go save it, this one, Control S, and then create a new account. Fatima. You see, it is asking for complete this field. So we try 4 ways to make a field required. So if it is null, having nothing, or null, maybe you can erase if you want this part. Active field is required. You can come to account and triggers and update. You see, this is our. So if you want to deactivate this, just select this part, it will be deactivated, because best practice is to have only one active. Otherwise you don't know sometimes what happens. I hope you have learned something, how to make a field required by these 4 ways. Thank you very much. Have a good day.